Hello everyone! Today I want to show you our news article generator template. All you need to do is go to the Flow library and select the daily news article generator. Once you've done that, simply provide a topic and watch the magic happen. This flow finds the top trending articles on Google from the last 48 hours related to your input topic and generates a news article using the inverted pyramid structure. It enhances your query with phrases like latest news, last 24 hours, or today to ensure it retrieves only the most recent information. The process searches the top 5 URLs ranking for the latest news about your chosen topic on Google Search. It then uses the URL retriever tool to extract text from these URLs and presents the compiled information to you. In the inverted pyramid format, the most newsworthy information appears at the beginning of the article, while the less critical details follow toward the end. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.